What's up, guys? It's Elliot with Arbo Space again. Today I'm going to be showing you how to tie a Blake's hitch. For most people it's probably going to be a bit of a review, but this is still a great tool that you need to have in your back pocket as an arborist, whether it's to let yourself back from a long limb walk, have a second tie-in system with your tail, or if you cut your rope and you got to have a way back to the ground. This is something you got to keep in your back pocket for sure. So how I like to set it up is I will put a carabiner on my ring, or you can go straight to the ring. I'm going to pull a fairly decent amount of tail through. What I like to do for the termination is I'll just tie 2 half hitches, keep it simple. Remember, this is like a closed system, so everything's closed into one system. So how I like to do it is I'll put a thumbs up here, and I'm going to do 2 wraps around my thumb. 1, 2, and then I'm going to do 2 more above that. 1, 2. So now I'll have something that looks like this. I'm going to come back over this tail that comes out of the half hitch here, and I'm going to come under these 2 loops right here and back through. Okay, now this is the important part where you set and dress it. So I'm going to just rotate, roll it, push the tail through, rotate it, roll it, get all that slack through as much as I can. So now, as you can see, I can sit into it, but we have to make sure we have a backup knot on the end. So that can be as simple as doing an overhand knot. I prefer to do a figure 8. I got a bit of a longer tail, so just to keep it out of my way, I'll do a nice big overhand knot on a bite or something, or a figure 8. And now I can sit into this system nice and easy, let myself back from a long limb walk. You know, the wraps can be adjusted based on the rope you're running, your body weight. You can do 3 wraps, 2 wraps, 4 or 5, depending on how much you need. But that's your Blake's hitch. It's a great tool to have in your back pocket. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped you guys out.